catfish. It's crazy.
I ain't the one that you wanna talk about. I ain't the one that you wanna run your mouth about. You should know that you shouldn't play with fire.
Hi guys, it's your girl Vanessa Black. Welcome back to my channel. I want to show you guys that no one is perfect. I want to show you that there's things people do, including myself, to make themselves look good and feel good. It's how to edit your photos, how to see the perfection in imperfections, how to literally catfish. Facetune. I'm sure you guys have seen plenty and plenty of videos of people using Facetune. I feel like some people are not saying the true or showing the true lengths of Facetune. Obviously, I'm not going to edit myself in a way where I look unrealistic, I look fake, and you can see it's edited. I'm going to edit myself in a way where you think I'm perfect, but really and truly I'm not. I edit all my pictures, nothing big, nothing small. It's not to bash anyone or to expose anyone or to do anything. It's to simply show my subscribers and anyone new, hi guys, that there's so much people do and you don't even know the half of it. And sometimes when you wish, why can't I be like that, you can in £5 in an app. Sometimes I want to edit my pictures because the lighting which I took the picture in is bad, or the dress is kind of hiding my figure, or just something that I edit my pictures to a place where if someone was to see me in real life, they know I look better or I look exactly like my pictures. And I like this. I like this hairstyle. Okay, thumbs up the video before we go into it, and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you're new, hi guys, click that button down below and give this video a thumbs up. No more secrets, okay? It's all out there. I take pretty good pictures anyway. I've really worked on my angles, my lighting and my camera. If in case you didn't know, I take pictures on my Canon G7X, which is actually a vlogging camera. I don't take as many pictures on my iPhone anymore. So this pictures, as you can see, is already a kind of good picture. Not to toot my own horn or like my own video. Not to like my own video, but this picture was already alright. Like I know my picture, I could post them unedited. I just want an extra oomph, basically. It's an unedited video picture. So this is the picture, as you can see, very decent, nice, so I'm just gonna take the smooth edit and smooth my arms, because I can see a few hairs, I can see a few bumps. I'll smoothen it like that. There's no need to go overboard with it. I'll zoom into my armpit and smoothen it as well, and then I'll go into my neck. And as you can see, as I zoomed into my face, I can see a lot. Like, this is my natural face detail, so I'm just going to smooth that out as well. So I'm going to smooth my highlight, my forehead a tiny bit, and this bit just a tiny bit, because I don't want to smooth out all the details so that I look plastic. And I can erase, because I don't like my nose being too hidden. So this is the oh, I just messed it up. So I'm just removing some of the smoothness from my nose, because I don't like it taking away my natural features. So this is the before and this is the after. If you look very closely, you can see a lot of bumps. You can see a lot of, basically my pores. You can see a lot of my natural God-given form. And then when I'm smoothing it, it looks nice. It looks even better when I zoom out. Is, you know when you wish your skin was all one tone and you're finding every bit of cream because you think everyone on Instagram's skin tone is the same, brown, chocolate, all over? That's not the case, yeah? My body has natural contours to it. The back of my arm is darker than, a shade darker than the fore of my arm, my forearm. And the back of my neck's darker than the front of my neck. So if I miss a spot of foundation somewhere, such as in this picture, you can see that I didn't put foundation on my neck properly because I'm actually running out of foundation, but we can sort that out with this app. So after I've smoothed my face, I love you guys, by the way, make sure you like the video. I'll pick a bit of my skin tone that I want it to match. So for example, I want it to be the same, I want my neck to be the same shade as my arm. So I'll select my neck and tone it, click the tone selection on the app on Facetune and literally tone my neck. Yeah, and anywhere where a bit of colour has run over, as you see that little bit I added colour on my black hair, I can erase that out of the way so it's just on my neck. And as you can see, my black neck is now the same colour as the rest of my body. I want a bit more colour to it, so I've gone to selected the colour icon and brought it up a bit because I want my skin and the colour in this picture to be a bit popping. So that's before and that's after a bit of colour. And then I can sharpen it just a tiny bit because the sharpen is actually nice. I can turn the brightness down or up depending on if I want it nice and bright picture, or I'll just keep it how it is because there's no need. The photo was good. With this picture as well, I might want to change the saturation if I want a bit more of a browning look, so I might take the saturation maybe to just 3. So that's before and that's after, just to bring a bit more colour to your photo and it'll make it pop on Instagram. Let me show you guys the badness, the rudeness of this app is mad. The rudeness on this app is as mad as people that don't like my videos and I'm underrated, yeah, for my good content, yeah. It's that bad, yeah. My boobs, as you can see, they're fine because if you haven't checked my last video, I did my own boob surgery, but I want it to be a little bit more perky in this video, in this picture. So I'm going to click this icon here which says reshape, and it gives you the option to reshape, refine, resize, restore. My favourite one is refine because it gives me so much control on what I want to refine. So watch carefully to give me more of perky breasts. Now, do you see the difference? The before and the after, it's brought my chest up as if my chest is like this. It bent my background a bit, but we can restore my background by clicking the restore button, zooming it in and literally restoring this so it's not bent. And as you can see, now only my breasts move. Now, another trickery that people like to use, again underrated, like, let me just show you. So my highlight is already bright. I like bright highlight. My highlights pop, there's nothing wrong with this picture, but I want extra oomph. I want extra everything. Zoom it into my face, click the paint, click the tone, the brush. There's skin, but skin's a bit too red sometimes. Well, skin's not bad, but I like the toner. It depends, they're the same thing. The skin and the tone are the same thing. So I'm gonna click the tone, and then it's already selected like this light color. If it didn't, then I'll just go to this and select like a light concealer looking color that I'd actually go for, or that I'd actually put on my face. And then I will literally put that under my eyes like this. Okay. And if you zoom out, my highlight has gone brighter. Let me show you guys the before and after. You guys don't believe me, you can see. Yeah. So when you think people like, how do you get your highlight under eyes without flashback? How do you get your under eyes here so smooth? And you can see the difference in this pic. It's mad. Now it's just little details like that. It's always extra little bits of details that make editing so mad. Here's another picture I have taken of myself. Slim, everything's Gucci in this picture. However, this picture wasn't one of my best pictures because, as you can see, it looks quite cold. The picture looks cold. I like my pictures to be warm and popping full of colour. So I'm just going to go to the edit button on the app, add some colour. So even skin tone. As you can see, bad lighting, my tone, the tone of my skin isn't all one tone as we'd all like in this life. So I'll pick a patch on my skin that I like, which is pretty much this bit on my arm, and I'm going to tone my whole arm so it looks all one shade, and my neck where I've missed the foundation to brighten it. Hold on, that was bad. You need to do it in strokes so you don't do too much and too little. So stroke, and this bit of my arm didn't hit the light as well, so I'm just going to tone that as well. So now my body's one tone, as you guys can see. I'm going to erase anything that I wasn't supposed to paint with the eraser. Alright, cool. Now, as you can see, I'm a slim babe. I highlighted it in this video and I highlight it everywhere. I love slim gals, okay? Sometimes people will go overboard with their photos like this, and you'll never catch them in this life because they're ducking out. You're gonna click the refine and they give themselves some booty. That's a realistic booty. Now, come on. That's some beauty there, right? Now you can see that I've bent the cards in the background, so I'll click the restore button, and as I paint it, it's restoring everything that I just morphed in the background to its normal place. So not a lot moves, if that makes sense. So now the card's back to normal. This is not bending as much, and it pretty much looks like it's mine, because now no one can see that nothing is bending. So you can see in the background not much is bending. People are gonna believe it. And I want my breast a bit more perkier, so I'm gonna zoom in and bring my breast up like that. And I'm gonna make sure everything in the background is back to how it was. So let me show you guys this pic of last year on my birthday, where my weave was looking a bit rough in this picture because the lighting was hitting it too bad. Okay, I'm gonna get a retouch, aka the smooth button, and just smooth my weave. How does that look for you guys now? And the frontal, let me smooth my frontal just a bit, which a lot of people love to do, by the way. And let me just smooth, so it looks like I've got some gorgeous weave. My vendor is the best vendor. Do you, what? Matte, there's a matte icon right here. It matched the weave, basically, giving it an extra smoothness. So let me show you guys before, after. Sometimes when I feel like the light is hitting my weave and it's giving me a lot of white light on my hair and it's taking away the jet blackness, the colour out of it, I'll go to that tone brush I like a lot, click the black, and literally paint the colour back into my hair. You can see the before and the after, and then I'll just erase anything that I painted outside of my hair. So before, after, before, after. My battery's gonna die. So this is another full body picture of mine. As you can see, I've posed in a way that gives me a little bit of hips, but sometimes I want a little bit of thighs as well. So I'll take that favorite button, I like reshape, resize, refine, and give myself a little bit of body, and make sure I suck in my waist so my waist looks cutie. Do you see the difference, guys? I know it's a bit mad. I'm gonna restore the background so people can't see any curves or anything, and if I feel like I've gone to the extreme, I can restore a bit on my thighs as well. But do you see this? Yeah, it's proper mad, trust me. And the fact that you can restore the background is very hard to detect in pictures, so people find it more easier to believe. And yeah, this is a face picture I've already edited and done all of that. But if I want it to be an idiot and want it to be a big catfish, I'll get the refine and I'll make myself a smaller nose. So I'll tuck in this and I'll tuck in my nostrils a bit, and I'll resize this, refine the refine. I'll zoom in. The more you zoom in, the more you can get little details as well. And I'll give myself a smaller nose, literally. Automatically my nose is smaller. I give myself chinky eyes. These chinky eyes that girls love to do, and it's not working. Just bring the eyes down a bit. Both of them, refine, give yourself some chinky eyes. Zoom out, chinky eyes, small nose. Chinky eyes, small nose. Chinky eyes, small nose. Give yourself lips if you want to. Got myself some lips, looking like a complete doll. 1,000 likes. What else? This app has so much. If you pay for the full app and things on it as well, you can do things like this. Literally make yourself smile when you're not smiling. It's disgraceful, like. So you click on face, smile, jaw, width, smile. Looks a bit weird, but yeah. It always works somehow. So give yourself a smaller jaw or a big jaw. The width of your face can change, so give yourself a wide face or normal face. Your nose widths you can change, big, small, big, small. Eyebrows, you give it a lift, shape them, tilt them, raise them. Your lips, again, you can change them. Your mood, cute, oh god, seduce, what, fierce. It's crazy. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoy showing it to you guys. It's fun. If you want to edit yourself, like, there's no problem at all editing your pictures. I edit every single one of my pictures overboard. Like, it's crazy and mind-blowing, the things on Instagram and social media. It's not all where it seems. but it's fun. It's not a bad thing to edit your pictures. I don't know why people frown on it so much, but it becomes a bit deceiving when you do shit and you get caught out in real life and it's like, whose fault is that? Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to your girl if you're new so you can stay in touch with Squiddy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.